everyone. Today we are going to see HTML basic tags. So first one we are going to see document structure tag. Already we have seen this. Again I'm going to revise this document structure tag. We have document type HTML. Why we are using this doc type HTML? For the software, the document type should be in a HTML format. So for that we are going to use this doc type HTML. Then we have HTML tag. This is the base tag. And then head tag. Head tag is nothing but the heading tag. Inside the head tag we are going to use the title tag. Title is nothing but whatever the contents we are giving inside the title tag, it is going to display in the title of the web page. And then we have body tag. Body tag is nothing but it will be having the contents, and that content is going to is shown in the web page, front of the web page. So we are going to see how it's going to work. First is HTML. Inside the HTML we have a head tag. Inside the head tag we are using title tag. I'm going to give for the title tag fresh kite. I'm going to save this and run your. I'll get the fresh kite title for the web page, and then I'm going to use your body tag. For that I'm giving the content. Welcome to fresh kite. See, we have got the content in the front of the web page. So this is what the document structure tag. Next we have the HTML attributes. HTML attributes means all the HTML elements can have a attribute. HTML elements is nothing but for example, here we have the body tag, this is opening tag and some contents we are going to give, and the closing tag. This full thing is known as HTML elements. So attributes provides additional information for that elements, and this attributes always specified in the starting tag. Here we have given C and A anchor tag href is equals to some information we are going to give. One from the it is specified only in the starting tag, and then attributes usually have name and the value. This is what name is equals to value. Value means whatever the content or the URL we are going to give in between this inverted commas, that is what the value. So we are going to see four attributes: href attribute, source attribute, art attribute, title attribute. So how it is going to work, we will see. Inside the body tag only we should give all the attributes. First we are going to give the href attribute. For that I am going to give anchor tag for the hyperlink. So href is equals to, I'm going to give your http www.freshkite.com. Then I'm going to close this anchor tag, and I'm going to give the content here, classroom. Save this and run your. I've got the classroom. This is the hyperlink. If I click this link, it should go to the next page. Web page. So next we have the source attribute. For that I am going to use a image tag. Image and the source. For that I should give the path. Here I have Freshkite logo. I'm going to copy this path and I'll paste here. And I'll save here. See, I have got the image. It is displayed in the web page. And then we have alt attribute. Here only I am going to give, if the image is, the path is wrong, means it should print for me this, whatever I am giving in the alt attribute, it should print that content. Freshkite.com. See, if I give this path, I'll take some names, some letters I'm going to take, and I'm going to save here. If I refresh the web page, see, whatever the path is we have given is wrong, it is going to print the freshkite.com. This is the alt attribute. So now we are going to see title attribute. For that I'm going to use the paragraph tag, p tag. I'll see what is the paragraph tag. Title is equals to, I'm going to give hello fresh kite. I'm going to give hello fresh kite, and then I'm going to close this tag. Inside this I'll write HTML. I'm going to write Control S. If I refresh here, I've got the HTML. Whatever the content we have given in the paragraph tab, it is printing here. When the mouse is over that element, the content is shown. Whatever the title is given, that is shown. See, the hello fresh kite is shown. This is what the title attribute. And then next we are going to see the heading tag. HTML headings. In this HTML headings we have from H1 to till H6 tag. H1 is the most important tag and the H6 is the least important tag. So how it is going to display, we will see. In the body only I am going to give H1 heading. Some content I am going to give. H2 heading. H3, H4, H5 is there. So in order to not waste the time, I'm going to save this. Sorry. If I refresh, see, we have got the heading tag. This is the H1 tag. This is most bigger tag, and this is the least one tag. So next we will see the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag means that only we have given paragraph, some content I am going to give, hypertext, markup, language I'm going to give here. So if I give some space, for example, if I give like this space, it will, the browser automatically add some white spaces. I have given the space here, so much space, but it is giving some white spaces before and after the paragraph, and it is showing here. So this is what the paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag we have the HTML horizontal rules. Horizontal rules is like, for example, here one paragraph tag is there and one more here paragraph. I want to give one line in between them. So for that I'm going to use here HR tag, that is a horizontal tag. See, we have got one horizontal line. This is the benefit of horizontal line. And then we have the break tag. Again, I'm going to give here hypertext markup language. For this, after the full stop, this thing it should come in the next line. So for that, see, hyper means link. For that it should come into the next line. For that I'm going to use the break tag. If I use break tag, the hyper means link, it came to the next line. This is the benefit of BR tag, that is only the break tag. And then next we are going to see HTML formatting elements. HTML formatting elements means so much elements will be there. This is the bold tag, strong tag, italic tag, emphasis tag, small text tag, deleted text tag, subscript tag, superscript tag. One by one we are going to see how it is going to show in the web page. First we will see bold tag and the strong tag. Bold and the strong tag is same only. So I'll show how it is showing B. I'll write same as bold text only. Okay. Bold text. See, the text whatever I have given, it is showing in the bold thickness. It will be in bold format. Then I'm going to give a strong text. This is also same like bold only. So how it is going to print, I'll say, I'll show you. This is what same, it is also printing the same thing. So I'll give you a break. Italic tag, that is I tag, and the EM tag. EM tag is like emphasize tag, same thing. The italic I tag and the EM tag will be same. It shows as italic. I'll write an italic. See, it is showing in a italic format. So I'm going to give EM tag, that is also showing in a italic format. So next we have the marked text. So mark text, I'm going to give a mark tag, whatever the element we are going to use. For example, here I'm going to give whatever I have written hello here, the content, it is going to mark. It will be shown, see, hello. It is marked, right? This is the use of mark tag. And then next we have the small tag. Small tag means it will, whatever the content we are giving, it will be in a smaller size. This is smaller, I'll write. See, it is printing, this is smaller. This is the use of small tag. And then I'm going to give break. Next we have delete tag, deleted element. For that I'm going to use del tag. Whatever the content we are going to give, it will be striking. My favorite Here I have written in the paragraph my favorite, the food it should get striped, and then it should print color. My favorite color it will print same my favorite food color, but food is striking out. This is the delete tag does. Okay. The next we have inserted tag. Inserted tag means in this only I am going to show how it is going to insert. For this color it should get the underlined. For that I am going to use inserted tag. Inserted means color. The inserted tag I have used in order to give the underline for that content. And next we have the sub element, that is a subscript text. It will appears of the character below the normal line. For example, I'll show you how it will be shown. Basically, we will use this subscript for the chemical formulas like H2O, CO2. Like for that, we are going to use that. So sub H I'll write. Sorry, in here I'll write here for the paragraph. I'll write H. H2O I'll write, and then I'm closing the paragraph. I'm going to save this and refresh. See, yes, sub bahega. Oh, sorry, written wrong here. So it is shown H2O. This is the use of the subscript. And then next we have the superscript. For every line I'm going to give a break in order to show in the next line. So next is the superscript. Superscript appears above the normal line. I'll show how it works. Superscript. For that I am going to give again the paragraph. For example, we will use like C cube, like that and all we will use, right? For that we will use this superscript. So for this paragraph I have given the content C, and again I'll give your superscript tag SUP. For that SUP tag I'm going to give 3, and then C3 formula I'll give. Sorry, here I should close the paragraph tag. I've closed and I saved here. It is showing here. C cube formula. 3 is shown in the above the content, above the normal line. This is what the basic tags. So next class we are going to see remaining